Good afternoon, guys. Hey, so there's a question as far as when do we change the battery in our key fob? Well, we're on a 2016 Honda Odyssey, and you'll get a display that says change your key battery. Stand by and I'll put a little video together how to do that. Hey folks, so I took a video earlier inside the Honda Odyssey where it was showing on our dash cluster when to replace the battery. It was giving us a notification. So here's the key fob that we use from Honda. I got my headlamp on so that way you can see the illumination a little bit better. There's a little switch here, the spring loaded. You can push that down, pull the key out, and then essentially what you want to do is you want to pry the body here open, and we actually can do that with our key. What we can do is put that in there and just kind of turn it side to side, and then that'll allow us to split the key fob open, and you'll see your battery. It's a CR 2032 3 volt. And then all we really want to do with this is take this battery out as well. So you can just come in here, kind of get this clip back a little bit. There we go. And then you want to have your other battery, which is the CR 2032. You can put that in. Now essentially what I'm doing is I'm coming in, I'm putting it in through the body first, and then I'll push it in. These little clips here will give away a little bit, and these ones won't. And then essentially, once you've replaced that battery, you can get your housing here, put it back together, and then just push it. And put your key back in. And I have the Odyssey right out front here, so I can hear it unlock, hear it lock, and there's the beep. Now when I go start the vehicle, it shouldn't give me the low battery warning anymore. Thanks for tuning in.